Hey guys, I'm going to go ahead and open up the settings app on my iPhone, and I want to show you guys something pretty cool. So if I go over to settings, and there's a few different ways you can do this, but I'm just going to go to general and about. Um, as you can see, I am on iOS 14.3, so this is the newest version of iOS, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak without a computer on this new version of iOS. So what you need to do is follow along with my guide. If you're using an iPhone, you need to swipe up on the control center and make sure this portrait orientation lock, make sure this is on. So this is really important, guys. If this is off, it will not work, so make sure this is on. It turns like red when it's on. So once you've done that, all you have to do is go ahead and open up settings. And once you're in there, you just want to go down to general. And there's this option called background app refresh, and you just need to make sure this is on. So this is pretty important, guys. Background app refresh. So as you can see, it says it allows apps to refresh content. So you want to make sure this is turned on for the jailbreak to work. So you can have it on either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi mobile data, but if it says off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. So once you've done that, guys, if you're on an iPhone, which obviously you will be, you're good to go. So you just need to go ahead and visit this site that I'm about to show you. This is the only site that works. It's called injectog.com, so injectog.com. Once you're on the site, you're going to notice it has like a ton of different like mods and like hacks for games and apps. So there's a few different ways you can find the jailbreak. You can use the search bar or like the all apps section, which shows you like everything. So we're going to be using the uncover jailbreak method because that's the one that works in this version of iOS. So what you want to do is just type in jailbreak, and it's going to come right up, uncover. You can see right there, jailbreak any iOS. So in order to actually jailbreak, you just need to go ahead and press on it. So do that. Press the button that says inject now, and what this is going to do is start the jailbreak process. So as you can see, it says like processing, so it's going to show you like a progress bar, and what you want to do is just like wait until this reaches the very end, so like the very end, guys, and then you can just like go back to your home screen and you should see like Cydia appear. It's usually a pretty instant process, but I'm just going to give it a minute. So it's at the very end now, so I'm going to go back to my home screen, and as you can see, Cydia has downloaded. So this is super insane, guys. You need to share this video with your friends because this is the only way that works. So I'm just going to open this. I'm just going to show you. You can see this is actually Cydia. It's fully working. You can like go ahead and install your like favorite packages or whatever. So you can see over here I could search for something. So there's this thing called Filza. It's like a file manager, and you can only use it if your device is jailbroken. So I could go ahead and install that through Cydia just to show you guys that this is fully working, as you can see. So yeah, this is incredible, guys. I don't even know how they're able to do this because you don't need a computer to download this, as you saw, and it's just completely insane. So you can see right here, Filza is currently downloading, so I'm just going to give it a minute. Yeah, it's usually a pretty quick process. You can download like whatever you want using Cydia, so you can get like hacks for games and stuff, which is pretty cool. So if I press return to Cydia, I should have the Filza app on my device, and as you can see, guys, I do. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to share it with your friends, get the word out. See you guys later. Peace out.